Good morning. For to see, nung muna tayo patuloy, nung tuwan sa Kartawaw, sa record, kapna, US Embassy representatives, abalang parusian katran. O aswat pa pagkitaran, takalait epunan kabakap kong kremas.
Sige, may child kumulaw ka na. Ngayon sa Marsa, kalangan sa kabing sa mga kusunti. Umuitang dito ba ng kaksong pinapangkuran? Kung kapag mga binigyan sa mga kusunti. Noong yan titi, lugay yung nan. Kaan kasang walwat, kaan kurang kataman. Kaya kan dokter pang benir, kacau juga boleh kaya tak. Yang dia sabun version toto, jadi tu ben katai nan mau, kata kini. Sekarang lagi dia sabun version jual. Uingan semua tetap sama saraf dan kecil sedikit. Buat video benar pun yang kawal ran sampai buat. Kasarawi ada orang yang kasong harus bukan dia. Pendak pun sama orang itu. Pun met. Ujian jadi pertiup jadi. Di maromia kau Yesus Kristus. Amin.
So before we proceed, I'd like to explain a little bit about how we're going to execute this morning. If you haven't registered, it's in the back. To the right, what the phone is taking blood pressures and temperatures. So if you're not feeling too well, please go get checked out. Bathrooms are behind us, water's over there, and there'll be water points out in front. Without further ado, I'd like to invite our honored guest, Governor Reed Oliver, to start us off this morning. Governor, please.
Thank you, Mr. Master of Ceremony. Mohon beparos bagi jumat sakaratay kan pacho buhay. May ganyan kubre yan patron tunay na cuma sakaratan wow kejengar mul. Governor Peterson, Sharshay Summers, members of the military, veterans, family members, fellow citizens, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. First off, I'd like to convey on behalf of the Governor's Office for inviting us to be with you at this event today. Thus, Richards, Porter, Grace, and all the members of Pohnpei's veterans, we thank you. Today we come together to celebrate, honor, and commemorate all those veterans both alive and gone. So on behalf of all the people, especially families, we thank you for your services. On 1918, November 11th, of the week, of the month, 11th hour, the Armistice Day was determined to end First World War. And I believe, if recollections can help me right, the Veterans Day was also created by President Eisenhower in 1954. Here in the FSM, Congressional Bill number 13-38, which went into effect on June 23rd, 2004, made the FSM veterans of foreign wars. Here today, we come together to commemorate those events and those days that were established by law. Perhaps there cannot be better words than to say thank you to all the veterans and family members who have kept their best and sacrifices in their lives on foreign soils for world peace and security. Today is a special day, I know, for many of us here are related to veterans, active and also inactive. We also have notable veterans here with us. Former Governor Peterson, current Mayor of Colonia Town, Federico Jacob, our Chief Negotiator, Chief of Staff, Colonel Falcom Jr., even our Paramount Chief of Medellin, Isabao, was also a veteran, including our own PIO for Pohnpei State, who served 14 years in the Navy, Mr. Patrick, and many more I know, including the former Director of Public Safety, Mr. Benito Cantero, and many more. So on behalf of the people, with a grateful nation, with sincere appreciation, I convey to you and everyone today our words of thanks and continue to request that we do this not because we want war, but because we'd like to engage ourselves more in ways to achieve peace and security around the world. So with this, again, thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to be with you today. And again, we celebrate today in the name of peace and security of everyone around the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Governor. Before I turn it over to our strong Zumba group with the warm-ups, I'd like to remind everybody that the first and foremost, safety. If you're not feeling well, please let somebody know. During the run, there's going to be an ambulance, public health support is here. So don't push yourselves too much. However, there are prizes for every event. The embassy, along with the national government, TV staff, have donated a lot of gifts so that the kids and family members can take something away from the day. Throughout the day, there's going to be classes for all youth and children for about 15 minutes. Right, so they can rest, rehydrate, and play additional games for more prizes. So at this time, we're going to invite the strong Zumba to do the warm-ups. And everybody else, you can either stand down there or come on the stage with them so you can warm up properly before you do the run.
Zumba, Zumba.
And as they make their way up here, there's 3 prizes for males and 3 prizes for females based on their different age groups. So do your best, but stay safe. Thank you. Can I please ask everybody that's doing the run to stand up? Stand up and get some space, get comfortable so that
I'm gonna do
you
this.
can participate in the different movements. Come forward. You can even utilize some of the space in the back. Alright, give yourself some room.
point kaka na. Ya orang mo. Ayo itu kan jangan parrai kali itu jual bola.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ